Hi guys, welcome to Ukeguide. Today is the second lesson of our Uke beginner series and I'm going to teach you everything what you need to know about tuning a ukulele. So let's start the lesson. So guys, I'm sure by now you have got a ukulele for yourself. If you have not, then please check links in the description box below and get one for you. So now, first learn what is tuning and why we need it. So tuning is basically the specific sounds produced by the strings of our instrument. Right now you can see that I have a ukulele which has a long fretboard and it has 4 strings. Now these strings are numbered from down to up. It means that the lowermost string of our ukulele is called string 1 and the topmost string of our ukulele is called string 4. Now in a particular tuning, this lowermost string, the string 1 of our ukulele, can have a B sound and the topmost string can have A sound. But we would mostly use standard tuning for our instrument. So let's now learn what is standard tuning. Now the standard tuning means that the strings of our ukulele have G, C, E, A sounds, which means that the topmost string of our ukulele gets G sound, string 3 gets C sound, string 2 gets E sound, and string 1 gets A sound. And that's why this tuning is sometimes referred as GCEA tuning. So as we learned about standard tuning, now let's learn about how to tune the ukulele. Now right now you can see over my instrument that I have a big part of the body, that is the headstock of ukulele. Now there are 4 tuning pegs which are used to tighten or to loosen the strings of ukulele. Now if I talk about this tuning peg, which is the first tuning peg, I'm talking about the 4th string of my ukulele. Now if I'm talking about this tuning peg, which is the 3rd tuning peg, I'm talking about the 2nd string of my ukulele. Now whenever you need to tune, you need to make sure that you would tighten or loosen specific tuning peg which is required to produce the standard tuning. Now before we tighten or loosen the tuning pegs, let's first get a reference sound so that you can easily tune your ukulele. Now you can get a reference sound using an automatic tuner or a mobile app. Both are very convenient options. Now right now I'm going to show you how you can tune your ukulele using an automatic tuner. You can see that right now I have this automatic tuner with me. What it does, that it picks up the frequency of the instrument and then tells you if you are playing the right tune or not. So what do, you attach it to the top of your ukulele like this, you turn it on and then you start tapping the string. For example, I want to tune the 4th string of my ukulele, then I start tapping it like this. And my tuner will pick the sound and it will give you if you are playing the right tune or not. Right now you can see, if you see it in this direction, if I start tapping the 4th string, then it will show me that I am playing G sound. Now you have to repeat this step for all the strings, and that's how you tune your ukulele using an automatic tuner. So in the similar way, you can use a mobile app where you just open the app, you place it in front of you and then you start tapping the string. So if I need to tune string 4 of the ukulele, then I start tapping it like this. The mobile app automatically picks up the sound and will tell you if you are playing it the correct tune or not. So now when you're done with all these tasks, your strings will sound like this. So guys, I'm sure this lesson must have given you enough information to tune your ukulele, I will be coming up with more lessons like this in future. So go ahead and subscribe Ukeguide right now and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So until next time, do take care and bye bye.